Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can send files in Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and right here you're going to find stories. So right now I'm going to go back to the chats section, and right here in the chat section, you're going to find all of the conversations that you have. And right now I'm going to choose a conversation. For example, I'm going to click on this one. And basically guys, once you're here in the conversations, right here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to send a message. Right here, you can send emojis, GIFs, and also stickers if you want. You can send a like. Here, you can send a voice message. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can send a voice message, an image. You can also open the camera, or you can click on this plus icon to send your location. So basically, guys, the only type of files you can send on Messenger are images. So basically, guys, if you want to send an image, just go ahead and click on the image icon right here. Then choose the image you want to send. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And then right here, you're going to find two options, send and edit. If you want to edit the message before sending it, you can click on edit. And then right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need to edit the image before sending it. And then once you want to send it, just click on this icon in the bottom right corner. Then the image will be sent. If you want to send another file on Messenger, there is no option to do it. So you might have to use another platform to send a file. For example, you can upload it on a cloud service like Mediafire or something and just send the link on Messenger. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.